Today, what we are discussing is cloud formation template. Cloud formation template, till date, we manually created a, what are the ways of creating a server? Not server. What are the ways of communicating to any of the cloud? There are three ways. Sir. One we directly create manually. Correct? Sir? Another thing, yesterday, what for if we respect to a EC3 yesterday we done manually, not manually also we done, and automatically auto scaling also we done. Second way is infrastructure as a code. That by using the YAML. That by using YAML, we going to write the infrastructure, complete infrastructure can be done in the YAML file. That can be done with cloud formation. That can be done in Terraform. That can be done in Ansible. That can be done in Ansible. That can be done as a Ansible also. Please understand. Sir. Third one, it can be done via Python. In that, I believe more powerful is first one everyone will do manual thing. Python. By using Python, if you do, that is all time by directly communicating via API. Correct? Directly communicate. Tomorrow another language will come. And with respect to DevOps and talking. Tomorrow another language will come. Terraform, Ansible and Martha. Not another language. Like to get or money content developer, new code, new DevOps tool. That also will come. That won't be static. But I'm not telling not to static. We should know. We should know. But what is the that can be where which is the permanently available? By using Python, you can directly communicate via API. That will be existing for next 100 years. No need to worry. Coding language will be there. When you're doing that, this is code, infrastructure as a code. What is the difference between Ansible and Terraform? People who complete that Ansible and Terraform can anyone explain me? I'm not asking the complete step-to-step difference. I'm just asking the what is the basic difference between Ansible and Terraform. Anyone? Can be around 3, 5, Satya. Doing that completed no sir. Second batch or first batch? First batch agideda. Correct, right? You also second batch, right? First batch. First or second? First batch. Okay. You three completed? Yes. Anyone can complete DevOps, sir? I know these 5 people. But you okay, what happening? No. Satya and Sujit, you completed? Very arrow. Ravi Kumar. Okay, okay. Any of them? What is the difference between Terraform and Ansible? Anyone know? Anyone? Completed, not completed, is secondary. Anyone know? Ansible and Terraform. Terraform? Manual. Terraform? What's the difference? Both are used for automation only. Both are used for the automation only. Where Terraform is using infrastructure as a code. I feel personally, Ansible is more advantage than Terraform and cloud formation. Why else? Terraform is used as the infrastructure as a code. That means complete data center, complete architecture we can develop in a one time. Suppose there is a mistake either. Something mistake happened. We can't edit that one. We can't, we need to delete everything and we need to do. As Ansible as the we can create a new also, we can manage the existing also. Please understand, sir. The people who come in, please, please, let me know first. I repeat once again. Ansible is a configuration tool management. Terraform cloud formation is an infrastructure as a code. That meaning is complete data VPC create model, security group, subnet, everything at a time is going to write all the code we're going to deploy. Correct? Same thing what you're writing and saying Terraform or cloud formation, same thing we can do with the Python. Python will directly communicate to the API. Here infrastructure as a code, but backend of Terraform also is one code only running. Correct? By using one of the Java or Python code, Terraform would have been developed. Correct, sir? Please know correct difference. Ansible for Terraform cloud formation. Correct, sir? Ansible is a configuration tool management. By using Ansible, we can create also, we can change the existing thing also. Terraform only existing thing na change ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Terraform is for one-time deployment. Use it for one-time deployment. Complete thing you want to do, at a time you can deploy it. But anything you want to do the changes on existing thing, you can't do it Terraform. Or Ansible go with it. Existing thing is not managed, we need to go for Ansible. But by using Ansible, we can create also, can manage the existing systems also, we can edit the existing thing. Understanding, sir? Both are written in YAML. Both are written in the YAML. But Ansible is there for past 10 to 12 years. Ansible I can add that it won't do. It is there, Jenkins is there, Docker also, okay. Ansible is there. What is the Terraform Kubernetes is coming, sir? There are newly looking. Getting my point, sir? No. Terraform will work for all cloud. AWS, Azure, GCP, Oracle Cloud for everything. As a native cloud go on the tools irutte. AWS ge we have it called a cloud formation template. It is designed only for AWS cloud. Arthat idea, sir? Terraform is a third-party tool. It will work for all the clouds. AWS, Azure, GCP, Oracle Cloud, what are the new clouds coming? But AWS having the same concept for their own template. In fact, that is a cloud formation template. Arthat idea, sir? Clear? Here also, today we are going to create a EC2 instance without using the right click, without using the launch instance. We are going to write down YAML language, YAML code based on that we are going to say. Arthat idea? Understanding, sir? Yes, sir. Clear, sir? What are the important people who covered? Don't feel that I'm asking people who completed the work. What are the important components of Terraform? Components of Terraform, what are the things is required to create a one YAML, to create a one component, to create one service in the Terraform? What are the components required? Any answer is okay. I'm not asking the question. I'm just trying to know what are things you know. Any components recommended on those? What are the parameters required? Anyone, sir? You don't know. Or anyone? 5, 6 people, including Satya. I introduce them. People need to tell. Clear? You'll complete a long back. The next slide. That's the thing I added. Clear? Be so happy when I call you. Go back, no further. Okay, what are the components required? No issue. Resources. It includes Terraform also, CloudFormation also. Resources. Properties. Not use it. Parameters. Variables. These are the components required to build any Terraform or CloudFormation template. Here, no need to buy it. We have a good, you need to know in DevOps how to use the document. No one can buy it. If you buy it, means you're doing wrong thing. Correct? YAML syntax you should know. You should know the logic how to write it, but no need to buy it. Terraform also, Terraform, which website you refer? That tool you need to use correctly. Correct? In AWS also, I prepared a documentation, which all the document you need to refer for CloudFormation. Correct, sir? If you're good in J, if you know how to write in J, you can Terraform any YAML, any DevOps code will take the two input, YAML or JSON. Output will be JSON also, but you can write in JSON also, YAML also. But mostly we prefer the YAML only. People who are working on Java, they will be knowing JavaScript, they can write in JSON also. Getting the, I'm going to open the document. Based on that, we're going to write one by one. Clear, sir? You no need to buy it. I'm going to show the syntax step by step. How to use the document, you need to write the YAML. Clear, sir? Understanding? Clear. Don't try to copy paste of any of the YAML language which you're learning in code. If you're doing like that, then you can't write. By copy pasting, executing code, you can't tell you know Terraform. ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ ಟೆರಾಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತು ಅಂತಾನೂ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸಿಯರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಬುಕ್ ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸಿಯರ್ ಗೊತ್ತು ಅಂತಾನೂ ಅಲ್ಲ. You should be able to write. I'm not telling without any help. Refer the document and write. Refer the document. We're going to take 7 hours on the Ansible. That at the time I'm going to discuss how we can write it. I have put a lot of documents area, lot of links which is used for CloudFormation. By using this syntax only, I'm going to write. Clear, sir? Let me open it. And also for all the services, me and my few of friends has written the CloudFormation template for all the AWS services. Then if you get a job, right? Terraform CloudFormation template is already present in my GitHub, the public GitHub. I'm going to give the link for you guys. If your manager asks, if you give that complete thing, next day only promotion will get 100%. All the services, all the AWS services, we return the CloudFormation template. That for writing each thing, at least you'll need to spend 15-16 days. I'm going to show that also by the end of the completion. I'm going to give the link. I've already pasted the link here. I'm going to provide you. Let's say first we'll write manually one. Okay, ready, sir? Ready. This AWS documentation only. This AWS documentation, sir. This AWS link, sir. You can see docs.aws.com. Yes, sir. You'll get link here directly. For all the services, step by step, ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಂದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲೇ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ JSON ಮತ್ತೆ YAML ಎರಡು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. I prefer YAML only. I click on YAML. You'll get a syntax here. How to create an EC2 instance by using YAML. Terraform is also code ಬರೆಯೋದು ನೀವು. Terraform also writing the code like this only. Okay, clear, sir? Clear? Now you can left hand section, you can see for all the services is there. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ಗೂ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ಗೂ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಇದೆ. Yes, sir. For all the services, Cloud Tray, Cloud Watch, everything is there. Correct? Just you need to know how to use the documentation. If you don't need to buy it, use the documentation, write it. Yes, sir. Let's start with basic thing. Yeah, that also I prepared the YAML, everything, I kept it ready for you guys. You can refer in Google, but I am going to write it manually now. So you get the components one by one. Yes, sir. ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು EC2 instance create ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನೇನ್ ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ? What are the major basic thing? Okay. VPC default ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಏನ್ AMI agree. Next PEM key. Next security group default ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಸತಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಹುದು. Availability zone. Availability zone is nothing but subnet. What will tell that one? CPU RAM ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್? CPU RAM ಯಾವ ದಿನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ನಿನ್ನೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. Instance type T2.micro. That will come from these are major. These are to create on server. Availability zone select ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ automatic VPC select ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. PEM key ಕೊಡಲೇಬೇಕು. Next ಅದು IAMI very important. Without IAMI no chance of working. And instance type. Security group is required anything modification. I am going to write the now basic one. Correct? What are the things? As I told, resource the property parameter variable. I am going to take by one. Let's write that. Let me write first. Resources. This is the YAML I am going to write. Resources. You can give me anything, sir. Test EC2. Jan, what is the date? Jan 19. Okay. Okay. You need a cloud. What is that? Terraform also is going to mention. First and birthday cloud provider. ಯಾವ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ EC2 ಆ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? EC2 ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? EC2 ಕ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ EC2 ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಯು ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಬೈ ಇಟ್. ಅಜೂರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅಜೂರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Azure ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? S3 ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ S3, VPC ಆದ್ರೆ VPC. ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡರ್ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡರ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ನೇಮ್, ಆ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಆಪರೇಷನ್. Getting my point, sir? This also clearly defined here. Is typo? Terraform ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೀವು. Terraform also going to use the same thing. Clear, sir? Spelling mistake ಏನು ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. Spelling ಅಂದ್ರೆ capital, small, everything. Correct? Just I'm showing the syntax. I'm going to copy this thing. Type. I go to here. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Yes, sir. Better you put in single quote. Yes, sir. Next, I need to define. ಏನೇನು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಮಗೆ. AMI ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, PEMKey ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಆಲ್ಬಿಟಿ ಝೋನ್, ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟೈಪ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ capital, small, that you no need to worry. You refer the documentation. What are the keywords ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ನಮಗೆ. ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ then go to documentation, check it. Capital, small, everything matter. It may be capital also, small also, I don't know. I need to refer the documentation. Next ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ? AMI. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟೇಶನ್. ಹೌ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್. ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮಾತ್ರ P ಇದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಇದೆ. Correct? This should be like that only. Otherwise, your cloud formation will fail. It should be correct. Next, first we'll take the image ID. Image ID nodi. Search, drag down, search for image. Banta ile image ID. I'll take, what is it? Image ID. Next, key name. Key pair. Key pair ಏನಂತೀವಿ? Key name ಅಂತೀವಿ. Key name ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. Control F, key name. Banta ile. Yes, sir. Capital, small, yeah, because we are not writing this, not a Python, sir. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬೇಕೋ ಹಂಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Python we can customize. That is global. Here someone has developed a code like this only we should write. Capital N ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Capital N ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ invalid keyword ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Because somebody has developed a tool, we are using that tool, we need to follow them. Clear, sir? Next, key name. Next, already done. ಬಂತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Okay, sir. Next ಯಾವುದು? Instance type. Same. That's it. Normal ಒಂದು EC2 install. Then next time ನೋಡಿ, ಇವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು? ಯೂಸರ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಕೊಡೋ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. I'll give the user an option to enter the AMI ID. I give the user an option to enter the key name. Correct, sir? Understanding? Next, image ID ಅದನ್ನು ತಗೊಬೇಕು ನಾನು. I'll take any one of the image ID. Default image ID ನೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Amazon Linux 2 image ID. Instance running. Let me take this image ID. AMI. This AMI, sir. AMI, sir. Picta. This AMI. I'll take here. Put the AMI ID. Key name. PEMKey use ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ sir. That is your key name. You should, everyone and different PEMKey. I'll give my PEMKey. You need to give yours. December 20 on my PEMKey. Already zone. I want to create a hard coded AP South 1 year create ಆಗಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ. Instant typo. T2 dot micro. I'll give. This time I'm making the hard coded. Next script ಬರೆಯೋದು user input ಕೊಡೋ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. User can enter what you want. ಅವಾಗ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ parameters that I'm going to use. Clear, sir? Shall I do? Understanding? Clear, sir? Correct? Use the document clearly. Great. But you should know what are the things required. By using that thing, you should. Correct? Yes? Jayant? Getting, sir? Dushyant? Yes, sir. Anybody getting doubt, please ask me. Jayant, sir? Getting, sir? No. I'll copy. Copy. Before copying, I'll go to search for. I'll do first. Later you're going to do. You know what I'm going to do. First I'm going to do. Once it got success, I'm going to paste this in Skype. You can use from Skype direct. Okay. I'm going to show you. Please first understand it. I go to cloud formation. You'll get an option for as a create stack. I click on create stack with the new resources. Choose an existing resources irbodu. Already on template ready idre. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ S3 ಬಕೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಫೈಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ S3 ಬಕೆಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ S3 ಬಕೆಟ್ ಇಂದ ಬ್ರೌಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Two ways, but I'm going to use directly. Understanding, sir? Now I'm going to choose from the build infrastructure composer. I click on create infrastructure composer. First, let me complete. I'll also going to do with you later when you're doing. Okay, please understand. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ go to design ಅನ್ನೋ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, template ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. This is the till last month it is valid. Now also it valid. Now also it valid, but I'm going to use this only. Next future, after 3 months onward, we're going to use this, but same method only. I'm going to do one script from here, one script from here. Clear, sir? I click on go to designer. First verification ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ನಾವು YAML ಫೈಲ್ ಏನು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀಯೋ ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ, ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್, YAML ಫೈಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ JSON YAML ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ YAML ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನಾನು ಟೆಂಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಕಾಪಿ ಐ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ S3 ಬಕೆಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಬ್ರೌಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತು. ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್? ಓಕೆ. ಐ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಅಪ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಟಿಕ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್. ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂತಾ? ಟೆಂಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡ್. ಸರ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಸತ್ಯ ಸರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೋ upper arrow button, upper. This is the option. If S3, if it's not available in S3 bucket, we are going to upload. This is option is going to temporarily upload to S3 bucket, create on URL. By that we are going to create on EC2. Reference local ಆಗಿರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ S3 bucket ಗೆ. If you want to create a resource, you should save it somewhere. Getting my point, sir? You, sir? Getting clear? Now I'm going to create a redirect. ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು S3 ಬಕೆಟ್ URL ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್, ಅಮೆಜಾನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಟೆಂಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ S3 ಬಕೆಟ್ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇದು ಗಿಟಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ S3 ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಟೆಂಪ್ರರಿ S3 ಬಕೆಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್? ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಸರ್? ನೌ ಡನ್. Now click on next. Stack name. Create any name you can give. Test EC2, Dan 20, Dan 90, anything. Okay. Parameter, we are not defined anything, so it's not coming. Next script ಬರಿತೀನಲ್ಲ, ಅದರ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸರ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. This one. Automatic role create ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. You don't need to worry about it. Tags not required. What is there to execute on particular resources? To execute, to create a EC2 instance, cloud formation should have the right to execute the EC2. Role concept, sir. IAM role to access from service to service, not from cross account. Two types of role we discussed, sir. EC2 ಇಂದ S3 ಬಕೆಟ್ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಈಗ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. That's the role concept here. Since we're doing as a root user, we don't require any permission. ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಯೂಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು EC2 ಒಂದು ರೋಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ರೋಲ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಸರ್? No, I'm not going to do anything. Sample option this one. Of course, we're creating cloud for ಇವಾಗ AMI ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಸರ್. ನಾನು ಮುಂಬೈ AMI ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. ನೀವು ಇದೇ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ವರ್ಜಿನಿಯಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಮಣಿಕಂಠನ್ ಇದು ಇನ್ ವರ್ಜಿನಿಯಾ. AMI, I'm making you attentive. People who are not attentive, I make you calling by there. I want to make attentive. Okay? Okay, sir. Come back here. Now, that AMI is not present in North Virginia. Virginia ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದೇ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? AMI not found. AMI is invalid. At the time it got failure. ಫೈಲ್ ಆದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಸರ್ವರ್ ಒಂದು EC2 ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊನೆ ತನಕ ಬೇರೆ ಏನೇನು ಬೇಕು, ವ್ಯಾಕೆಂಡ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ VPC ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸಬ್ನೆಟ್ ಅವೈಲಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅಸೈನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು AMI ಅಂತ ಇನ್ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬೇರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟೆಡ್, ವೆದರ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ದಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ AMI. ಬಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟೆಡ್. Correct, sir? This whether you want to keep during this process of creation, what all the things successfully got created, whether you want to keep that resources or not. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಂದು EC2 ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. EC2 ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಸಬ್ನೆಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, AMI ಇರಬೇಕು. AMI ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಕಾರಣ ಫೈಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಇವಾಗ. ಅದೇ ಇದೆರಡು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ವೆದರ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇಸ್ 2 ಆಪ್ಷನ್. ರೋಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್. Preserve, ನೀವು ಇಟ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು ವಾಟರ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಯೂಸರ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸೇವ್ ಇಟ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಯು ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ರೈಟ್? ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಸರ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಲಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸ್. ಇದೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ನಾನು. ಡಿಲೀಷನ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸ್. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಆಲ್. Getting my point, sir? Correct. Right now use the default option only. No need to do anything. Stack policy. ಇವಾಗ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಒಂದು EC2 ಎಷ್ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ವೈಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಒನ್ EC2 ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ 2 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, 1 minute 1.5 minutes. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಯು ಬಿಗ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ VPC, ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್, ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಎ ಸಬ್ನೆಟ್, ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಗೇಟ್ವೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಬೇಸಿನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. VPC, ಸಬ್ನೆಟ್, ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್, AMI, ಹೊಸ AMI ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ 40 minutes ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ದಿಸ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಹಂಗೆ. ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ here I'll give, so not here you can upload the rollback configuration. Here monitor when creating or updating the stack. One stack create ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ stack is nothing but YAML file. You're going to create a stack, you are executing now. How much time it should wait? ಆ ಟೈಮ್ ಥ್ರೆಶೋಲ್ಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ exceed ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ I should get a notification. So I can go and manually check what the issue happening for that alarm. How much minute it should wait. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್, ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ? ದಟ್ ಅಲಾರಂ ಫಾರ್ ಮಾನಿಟರ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ವೆದರ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಎನಿ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ 11th notification. If the alarm exceed, I want to get a notification, SMS. Understanding, sir? Yeah, that I'm not going to add. This time telling. This is not important. Now, ಹೊಸ YAML file create ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. I created a stack. This stack is used for creating any of the EC2 instance. Correct? From when I created, sir, how much time? No one should be able to delete also, terminate also. Nobody should be able to this YAML file. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ ನಾನು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗುವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ವೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ನಾನು ಇದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟೆಡ್. ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ nobody, I'm in testing phase, sir. Whether working, not working, I'm not sure. It's in production stack. Think like a production stack. Nobody should be able to delete this stack. Server EC2 instance na enable stop protection, enable termination protection ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಾ? ಅದೇ ತರನೇ ಈ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು YAML ಫೈಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ Nobody should be able to delete this stack. So I will be using this stack for creating any of the new EC2 instance. Activated to prevent the stack from being accidentally deleted. Once created, you can update this accordingly. Activated ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳುತ್ತದೆ. If you click on activated, it will ask how many minutes it should be there. Deactivated ಅಂದ್ರೆ anybody can come. This many. Understand the activated means this many minutes or hour, nobody will be able to delete. Deactivated, I'm now deactivating the normal. Clear, sir? Understanding? Sure? Clear, right, everyone? Template is ready now. Stack name parameter ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. Let's leave it. We found all what is the action we created. Now I'm going to submit. If my YAML file is right, it's going to create a no usage instance. If YAML file is wrong, it's going to file. Correct, sir? Mumbai ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಾ? Correct. Fine. I'm going to click on submit. Getting created now. Resources ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Started, sir. Events. What are the events happening? ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ರಿಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. EC2 ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಐಡಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ? ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ವೆರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್. ನ್ಯೂ EC2 ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಬೈ ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಬೈ YAML. Sorry, cloud formation. Correct, sir? We're going to use some EC2 Python also when doing Python class. Lambda allo ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Next week we're going to control the EC2 instance by using Python code by using Lambda. ಇನ್ನು ಬಂದಿಲ್ವಾ ಇಲ್ಲೋ? ಬಂತಲ್ಲ? ಬಂತ? You have a doubt on me? Then you can see launch time. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ. I checked it there only, sir, before. Valid it came. If it's not valid, we need to correct there. Getting my point, sir? Any doubt here? Understanding? Only syntax. AMI what you give, that you should know. AMI what you give, please understand, sir. Please understand. AMI, key pair, security group, instance type, what you give, that you should be aware. It's going to just YAML valid anta bantala, that bari syntax check. That is not checking whether the component is available in your account or not. Correct, sir? If I am going to paste this filing type, sir, people are doing sleeping. Should have a lot of people sleeping. Night shift ಇವತ್ತು? ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Okay. Correct? Come back, sir. Clear? YAML is valid, you're going to check, that you're going to verify it. Clear? People are doing Mumbai, they can use there directly. Only they need to change the key pair. Key pair ಮಾತ್ರ change ಮಾಡಿ, ನೀವು key pair ನೀವೇನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ key pair ಅದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್. We're going to do hard coded now. Next script user input ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Key pair ನ user enter ಮಾಡಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Understanding, sir? First I'm going to copy paste this in. Kite, sir, please. People are doing Mumbai, they can use directly. Key pair ಮಾತ್ರ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೀವು. Key pair ಮಾತ್ರ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮುಂಬೈ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋರು. ಮುಂಬೈ same. Mumbai means same. If using Virginia means this AMI want to present. AMI default AMI, madam. It present in all the account. It's not a custom AMI. One second, sir. One second. What the AMI user? That is a default AMI. It's present in all in your AWS account. People are working in the Mumbai region. This is not a custom AMI. Key pair ಮಾತ್ರ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ವರ್ಜಿನಿಯಾ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋರು, ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ವರ್ಜಿನಿಯಾ EMI ತಗೊಂಡು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಎಸ್ ಸರ್? ಓಕೆ ಸರ್. ಮಾಡಿ Skype ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Kindly circuit. First you prepare this thing. When you creating stack, Skype. Everyone has Skype. Are you ready? Let's start. I'll also show once again. I'll show once again with you guys on this. Once you're ready, you can tell me. I can start with the create stack. Everyone got the copy paste in notepad first. What are the things you got pasted in Skype? Copy paste in notepad. Spelling mistake and please sir, you take care of spelling mistake. Keep it change ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Keep it change it sir as per your. Once you copy paste from Skype, I'll give another 2 minutes. Don't create a stack. Do with me only. I'm going to do once again. First, copy paste to a notepad. Change your key pair. Dushyant, getting the ಇಷ್ಟು ಮುಂದೆ expensive free ಇದೆ sir. Next week or make 100% sure you will get next week. You're doing good. Again going to ask plan. Python is pretty personally, right? Then what? AMI Mumbai and Nigo same. AMI will say only keep it. Mumbai ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನೀವು ಮುಂಬೈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಯಾವ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ AMI ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು AMI ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ so copy paste in notepad then we start once I give 2 minutes once everything ready in notepad then we start together once again ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ready Varun done sir all done keep it ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಾ keep it done to Sudhir done sir we start start ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಏನು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಸರ್ ಇನ್ಶನ್ಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಈಗ ಇನ್ಶನ್ಸ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ಶನ್ಸ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಓಕೆ ನಾವು ಗೋ ಟು ಸರ್ಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ you'll getting an option called as a create stack yes or no search for cloud formation you'll get an option for create stack yes or no click on create stack you'll get a 2 option with new resources existing with new resources same page yes sir second option build from infrastructure composer then click on create infrastructure composer ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ you're getting a pop-up here looking for cloud formation designer ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ you're getting okay click on go to designer and sir now JSON YAML ಅಂತ ಇದೆ YAML select ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ down bottom YAML is selected done sir anyone lagging ನೋಡಿ done all got this page answer okay continue people are sure come to October correct click on YAML next one sec what happened later what you then you told this no sir okay come back here now come back bottom ಅಲ್ಲಿ component to template ಎರಡು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ click on template don't copy paste on components click on template existing ಏನಿದೆ AWS template format that you delete it sir make it empty template column ಅಲ್ಲಿ empty ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಕೋಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ಇವಾಗ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ what you copied in notepad right copy paste in paste ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ all done up to this step can you answer okay super click here right tick it should come as a valid ಬಂತಾ copy paste wrong they are coming with copy paste wrong done ready who are getting valid can lift your answer People are getting issue. I'm going to help you, sir. You need to wait for some time. Clear? Come back, come back, come back, come back. Come back, sir. Okay. Sir, you can help them, help your friends later. You, sir. Satya friend. You see your laptop, no? Let you contents on your cell phone. Come back here now. Next to that one, you have upper arrow mark. Upper arrow mark. Click on that. That is nothing but it's uploading to S3 bucket. It's uploading to S3 bucket. Upload ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಈ ಪೇಜ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Now drag down. ನೀವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ S3 URL ಬಂದಿದೆ. Temporary upload ಆಗಿದೆ. Clear sir until you create a stack. Then click on next. Click on next. Give some name, your wish, what the name you want to give. Some stack, some any name. You can give any name, sir. Give any name. Aita. Click on next. This already we discussed it. You don't need to worry about this thing. We already discussed it. Correct? Come down. Click on next. Again, click on next. Don't change anything. Again, drag down. Click on next, next, and submit. Submit. 2 times next, then submit. Doing, sir. Now verify it. I already done once again. Submit ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ತರ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Click on resources. Instance ID ಬಂದಿರಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ? Now you successfully what madam? Why? Prepare. ಏನ್ ಎರರ್ ನೋಡಿ? People are getting issue of that. No default subject for only an internet. One week. Okay. See sir, she got one error. 1 second sir, good. 1 second sir. If you getting a error sir, please observe. You'll get a error. Error ಬಂದಾಗ drag ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಏನು error ಅಂತ. Getting my point, the error will be identified here. Please change it. People are coming to Sujit now. People. Yeah, 1 second. New undertook each of the actually I got to go to the so what the one what is money what the money you are created the and if you answer done you are still doing sir I'll give time oh. After this we got to take as a user input error ಬಂದ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲ event ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ can easily write you can easily found out
ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮ್ಯಾನುವಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ
manual is not suggested manual ಒಂದೊಂದಾಗಿ VPC ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಬ್ನೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ಬಂದು ಒಂದೇ ಕೋಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಟ್ ಎ ಟೈಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ next I'm going to show that for all my codes right it also will be Python also but real time scenario ನಾವು manual ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ manual ಆಗೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನೀವು ಆಟೋಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ 3 to 4 years you can sustain this manual out of 4 is difficult salary increase ಆದಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ನೀವು ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ pressure will come then they tell clearly why I need to keep you instead of you two freshers I can help correct on that all the company looking to reduce the employees they want to make their money profit first that's the thing they concentrate more on automation so the automation manual ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ automation ಬರಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು automation we can't be in that much hurry always automation manual ಒಂದು 5-6 ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ but you are seeing anything anyone look at the shell the target sir yes sir Why you not here? Side location. Back here. Done? Clear? Sir? Okay, madam. Still sure. ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಅದೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ? Oh, very good. Come back. Come back here now. We'll continue. Come back, sir, here now. We terminate this server, sir. Abjad, sir. Abjad now. Now, let's create I'll delete this also. I don't require. Server, what you're creating, better after completion, delete it or terminate it, sir. Why to keep simply? We're done for testing. After testing, perform, delete. Perform, delete. AWS, chargeable. We can't keep our like Linux VM. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Next ನೋಡಿ sir ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Next I'm going to do. Please observe. This also I prepared it. I'll show you first better with my AWS documents. See sir, with parameters, what happened, madam? Still not working. Afterward, okay. Observe now. Please, how to take the parameter input also I'm going to say input value. Correct? I'm going to write it so you get better and understand. Now, description, please observe, please observe, please observe. Taking the user input for the required component. Parameters. Okay, sir. First, e parameter. What type of parameter? What is the parameter? Let me take the key instance type. Instance type. Instance type name. This is the one variable name. Okay. E instance, so ಯಾವ input expect ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? That variable should be integer or a string. Instance type ಬಂದು string. Correct? Number of EC2 instance you asked, right? There you count the count of EC2 instance. Minimum. That should be type ಬಂದು integer ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ first description ಬರೀತೀನಿ. Please understand, please understand, please understand. Enter the instance type. Okay. Type. It should be string. Okay. Default. Default ಆಗಿ ಯಾವ instance type ಇರಬೇಕು? C2.micro ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. You can override this also. You can override this also. Understanding, right? Yes. Next, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು variable. Key name ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ. Key name new. This is another variable. Okay. First description. Enter the key pair name. Okay. Type string. Yes, sir. Next. Default name ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. I'll give you two options. User should enter any of these entry. First option ಅಲ್ಲಿ user ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Default ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Default ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು, but I'm going to make as a allowed value. Allowed value. That means I'll get a scroll button. I'll get a scroll button. User should select any one of it. User not having an option for entering. User having a scroll button option. User should enter, select any one. Allowed values. The capital spelling, that and all, I'm not sure. I need to verify it. ನಾನು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ವಿನು ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ವೆರಿಫೈ ದ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟೇಶನ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೀ ನೇಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಇಟಲಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 21. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಸರ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದು Jan 16 or something. 1 second. One minute, sir, please, sir. December 20 and Jan or something like created, right? Because I need to give a valid one, sir. Jan 16. Jan 16 dot. Find command should be strong. One find command, complete Linux automation completed. Find command, it should be good, sir. Jan 16. Correct? Right. Allowed values ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ T2.micro ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು T2.micro, T2.nano ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Getting my point, sir? Next I'm going to normal automation. Resources. This is the variable defining. I'm going to use that variable in the script now. Resources. Spelling correct idea. Test EC2 new. Next type. Type is equal to with that one type. Type that spelling, that anything will happen for me. Type I'll take from here only. Sure, I can take here only. No worries. Okay. Same thing. Type. Better I'll give one scroll button here. On tab I'll give some better. Type properties. Okay. Image ID hard code ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Key name ಬಂದು variable name. ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಬೇರೆ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಟೆರಾಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ನ how to call the variable in Terraform. How to call the variable name in Terraform. How to call in shell script. Yes sir, ಅದೇ ತರನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ REF Terraform ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. %REF with the thing we need to mention the key name. Next to instance type. REF. Okay. ಇದು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್. ಇನ್ನು ಎರಡು ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕೋ ನಿಮಗೆ correct? ಅದೇ ತರನೇ count of instance you required, correct? There I'm going to declare one variable count of instances. Its type is equal to integer. Type equal to integer. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minimum count ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. I'm going to show the playbook. Cloud formation template. Minimum count 1. Maximum ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಬೇಕು 10 ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ 10 ಸರ್ವರ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Clear sir? Understanding? Clear? Let me try now. Let me try directly. If it worked, fine enough. Intername also I can give. Intername will get an option for. I'm going to show the basic thing. I'm going to show the next playbook also. Next cloud formation. I'm going to discuss about show the first 50. What are the cloud formation by using the same for everything is documented here. So what the parameter you can give here? Everything designed here. You designed here. Go here and verify it. You want YAML, right? Select YAML. You'll get a syntax. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Just you need to search it. What are the things you require? Getting my point, sir? Correct? Understood? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? Yes, sir. No. I'm going to copy. Let me create it, sir. First, I'll do. Create stack. But problem is, I need to show you that this thing. Build from infrastructure composer. Create. Please observe. This time I try to do from template only directly. I'm not going to Go designer. We can go with the Go designer also. I'm going to try with this thing, sir. Let me see. I validate. It's working fine enough. Super. Valid. Clear, sir. Now I'm going to create a template. Continue and ಅಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ S3 bucket upload ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ temporary ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. But both endpoint are same. ಬಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ S3 bucket ಬರಲ್ಲ. Template was successfully imported. Template was successfully imported. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ? Then I click on next. Please observe. Please observe. Please observe. Parameter testing. ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಬಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೋದು. ಅದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡ್ ಇರೋದು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಡೌನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್. allowed value. When you give allowed value, only out of this only you should select. You don't have option to enter. allowed values ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Getting sir? Yeah. Here I'm going to select the December 20 only. Clear? ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ನಿಮ್ ಇದು ಯೂಸರ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ more user friendly script. Previously hard coded. This will be as per user requirement. You can AMI also ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. AMI ಒಂದು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Understanding sir? Clear? Getting? No. I click on next. These all the things I discussed already. Correct? And I click on next. These are done. I click on submit. Hopefully it should work, sir. Actually. Okay. Yes, sir. I feel happy, sir. You feel happy or not? When I do anything, I'll feel happy. Clear? That's the thing you should, when you're learning, right? You should explore, you should enjoy the things, then only you can learn. Correct? Clear? Okay. Now you people try it, sir, better. Doubt? Doubt, sir? Anyone? Understanding? Clear? Okay. Pick up, love. Ready? What happened, sir? Telling only to you something. What happened? Tell me. Not understanding? Understood? Yes. You want me to explain one thing? Understood? Okay. Madam, you only, madam. What happened? Right? ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತದೆ
ಅಸೆಂಡಿಯ ಗಾರ್ಡ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟರ್
No, before separate for rating under the people. Default with the value. Default will be all done, sir. Anyone? Occurred. The first time, what is the experimental mark? REF select ಕೊಟ್ಟಿವ ಅದು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಡಾಲರ್ ಬಂದು ಡಾಲರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟಾದ್ರೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ Second, I will give from there. Sir, don't give money. People are asking for money for job. And you can five for 5,000, 2,000, 3,000 is okay. For registration, that and all if last 50,000, 1 lakh. Get the fixed my lakh for the job. Today they get to get an offer letter. I can only send offer letter. Correct? No, that company is not there. What should we do? It happened so long when we start, please understand, sir. This is going from long time. It can. My friend also got it. Cheated like this only. Don't go in that. What happened? You got.
No, sir.
You always think like that. I only got it. He's not got tested to come. I only got it. We can't do. Make it separately. Huh?
And based on
Clear now? Please, I'm telling you serious note, sir. I'm telling you serious note. Those who are telling, please give the after money submission, you get the offer letter. After getting job only, you get the after getting job only you can pay money. These all the things will happen for in the scam. Please understand. Please understand, sir. 1 second, sir. 1,000, 2,000, up to 5,000 also is okay. 50,000, 1 lakh. Correct? Back end. What is that? Back end also. Backdoor. That and all is true or not, I don't know. Yeah. One of my friend only when we started a career, at the time, a lot of my friends have paid 20,000 in one of the company. Around 50 people. Company also very big. Company means they take one like rent. They put it on board. 1 month it was there. Not on the company only not there. They at least they are at the time only, before 80 years, at least they would have made on 10 lakh or 15 lakh money. Around 50 people, known people from my friends, only 20 people. Testing was a very easy way to enter IT at the time was testing. Use pedal. Yes. Lottery. Go. Easy way to enter testing was the. Here is there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It is there. Now they started JS pedals also.
yes.
JS pedal. Here of the Rajan.
Yes, sir.
Everyone targeting you. Leave it. Come back. Come back, sir. Who all completed these things? Sir, roll back. What the error? Check it now. Go to event. Take us. He'll pay. That is the doesn't take it. Sir, I put the December 0 but doing copy to not edit ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಡ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ Come back, Zena. Understood, right? Any confusion here? Please. Please observe. Please, 1 second. Please, sir. 1 second, sir. I'm going to show you one important thing. Then we can see. Afterwards, we can plan. Where is that GitHub link is there? Observe, sir. Please. Please observe. This URL contain all the CloudFormation template for all the services. This I contributed on 30%. My friends have contributed around 3 to 4 pence. We have planned and we done it. Correct? I'll show you. Give me 1 minute. Return to repository. Came, sir? Yeah, you can see, sir. For all the services. I'll click on EC2. EC2 again. This we invest a lot of times. EC2, creation, YAML, single EC2, wait condition, template JSON. For all the services, lot of 10 YAML file is here. Correct? This will be very much hard work we put it. I'm sharing with you guys with downloadable access. Correct? It is a public, we made it public and everyone can use it. Correct? Kindly make use of it. I contribute on 30% only, but remaining around 3%, they every 30% they contributed. Clear, sir, for all the services. S3 bucket nodtira. EBS, EFS, everything is there. S3. But you need to go through each one. Go through and learn it. For referring, refer the documentation, go to the thing playbook, not playbook, go to the CloudFormation template and verify. Understanding? Yes or no? I'm going to paste this link in the Skype also. Sir, we give public access. Don't make everyone should use it. Correct? If you're having any mind, anything to delete option is there, I need to go and check it. Please, please, sir. Everyone should it's a public website. Everyone should use it. I need to see, go and check it. Is the delete option enabled or not? If you delete means lot of effort we got wasted. Please. I don't have, sir. We have a repository view. I have my part I have. Okay, that's the thing. Please. Okay. Otherwise, we need to go and check the settings. Artha, sir, please. Lot of effort. In office, mainly I'm telling you, this makes a major role for you. If you are in office CloudFormation ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ready ಮಾಡಿದೆ. If you go and give this thing, immediately next day the manager will be so happy. Beginning only get a good 20%. Here, what, sir? Promotion. Every day, Satya was teasing other. Today, everyone teasing Satya. Done? Clear? No. Observe, sir, here now. Only one thing I'll show you. Observe here now. Repeat, sir. Existing time you can edit, sir, but successfully created, sir. Please, his question is 1 second. I repeat once again. Terraform and CloudFormation is a one-time deployment. One time it got successful. We can't manage. If you want to edit on the successful EC2 instances, you need to go with the Ansible only. But while creating stack, it got failed. We can edit the same thing also. We get an edit option there itself. Correct? But successful create a EC2 instance ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಏನೇನು change ಮಾಡಕಂದ್ರೆ Terraform CloudFormation not going to possible. You need to go with the Ansible. Ansible can manage the existing also, new also. Got my point? No. It's a one-time deployment. At the time, we need to go with the Ansible. Infrastructure as a code, Terraform, CloudFormation, one-time deployment. Artha aita? Getting my point, sir? No. In home, you can try, sir. One at least simple thing I'll tell you. S3 bucket. ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, but we'll try. See, sir, S3 bucket, creating a S3 bucket. Getting a S3 bucket here. This option, sir. Simple. What is the main thing you want to create a SE bucket? You get a option. My bucket name matra beku sir ashte. Only what you want to create a simple SE bucket without any condition. What I'm going to write? Resource. Test S3. Type of AWS S3 and bucket. Bucket option we'll get from here. Vertical bucket. Here. Yes, sir. This I'm going to write. That's it. Next, I'm going to write the properties. Bucket name. That's it. If you want to don't have apply any condition, the simple YAML will create one bucket. This bucket name na user input parameter define ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Yes, sir. Any condition here? Any confusion? Please. Clear, sir. Correct. Now we came to know two types of creating any of services manually. One is manually, one is by using YAML. Next week we're going to do from Lambda. We're going to stop the execution sensor, start the execution sensor, test the execution sensor. For that we should know Python. People who don't have Python knowledge, for them it will be difficult. For them it will be difficult. Lambda can be used only by the person who are good in it. But at least try to learn as much you can before coming perfect. I'll try to show 30 minutes of Python also, but I am very much sure in that 30 minutes you can't learn Python. Right? People who all joined here for Python can know. Who are already learning, that's okay. Who are joined for Python. Who need to do still Python course. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now that for you people, again you're doing Python scripting, right? At the time also we do it. Getting my point, sir? We're going to cover the Lambda. Understand here now? Saturday I'm going to cover one project. Saturday I'm going to cover monitoring the EC2 instances. CPU utilization ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ one sec. CPU utilization ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದ್ರೆ memory utilization ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದ್ರೆ cloud work ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ನನ್ನ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರದೇ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ each thing, any operation done on my particular EC2 instance, it should be monitored. That project I'm going to do next week. Correct? This also can mention as a project, sir. What we covered today. Correct? Lambda also I'm going to do. Lambda, S3, SNS, CloudWatch. ನಾಲ್ಕು ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ Lambda, S3, SNS, CloudWatch. S3 ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಫೈಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಲಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಲಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೋಡ್ ರನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕೋಡ್ ರನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. 4 services that we're going to do on next week. Right? After that, we're going to do route